Subject Business Law, Chapter Number 1, Incorporation of a Company। आज पढ़ेंगे आज के वीडियो में आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन क्या होता है। तो आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन आर दी रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस एंड बाय लॉज फॉर गवर्निंग द इंटरनल अफेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी। They may be described as the internal regulations of the company governing its management and embodying the powers of the directors and officers of the company as well as the powers of the shareholders। आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन मतलब क्या होता है, जो आप कंपनी इस्टेब्लिश किए हो उसके अंदर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस क्या होंगे, कौन सा आपको लॉ फॉलो करना है, कौन सा एक्ट फॉलो करना है, किसको क्या पावर्स होंगे, ये आपको आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन में मेंशन्ड होता है। They law down the mode and the manner in which the business of the company is to be conducted. Content of the articles of association are allotment of shares, lien on shares, calls on shares, issues of share certificates, transfer of shares, borrowing powers of the company, rules regarding meetings, voting rights of the members, directors and their appointment and their remunerations। तो ये articles of associations के जो है वो content है। Next is what is prospectus। According to section 2 subsection 36, prospectus is defined as any document described as issued as a prospectus and include any notice, circular, advertisement or other document inviting deposit from the public or inviting orders from the public for the purpose of subscription or purchase of any share in or debentures of a body corporate। In simple words, a prospectus may be defined as an invitation to the public to subscribe to a company's shares or debentures। Next is registration of prospectus। prospectus का जो registration है वो कैसे होता है। तो फर्स्ट आपको एक कॉपी बनाना होता है प्रॉस्पेक्टस का, जो कि आपको रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ द कंपनी के पास सेंड करना होता है, उनको बताने के लिए कि ये हमारे कंपनी का प्रॉस्पेक्टस है। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, अ कॉपी ऑफ एवरी प्रॉस्पेक्टस मस्ट बी डिलीवर्ड टू द रजिस्ट्रार फॉर द रजिस्ट्रेशन बिफोर इट इज इशूड टू द पब्लिक। रजिस्ट्रेशन मस्ट बी मेड ऑन or before the date of its publications। The copy sent for registration must be signed by every person who is named in the prospectus as a director or a proposed director of their company or by his agent authorized in writing। Where the prospectus is issued in more than one language, a copy of its issued in each language should be delivered to the registrar। तो prospectus जब आपको एक लैंग्वेज में बनाना है, अगर आप एक लैंग्वेज से ज़्यादा लैंग्वेज में बनाते हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रार को जो कॉपी है वो सेंड करना पड़ेगा। Next point, a copy of the prospectus along with specific documents must be filled with the registrar। मतलब जब आप prospectus सेंड करोगे तो prospectus के साथ में आपको अपने कंपनी के कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी क्या करने हैं, रजिस्ट्रार को सबमिट करने हैं। The prospectus must be issued within 90 days of its registration। prospectus जो है वो कब मिलना चाहिए, कब आपको रजिस्ट्रार को देना है, जब आपको इनकॉर्पोरेशन सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है तो 90 डेज के बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, prospectus इशूड कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट इज मीटिंग। The company is an artificial person created by law having a separate entity distinct from its members। Being an artificial person, it cannot take decision on its own। It has to take decisions on the matter relating to its well-being by way of resolution passed at properly constituted and convened meeting of its shareholders or its directors। There is an old proverb that two heads are always better than one। when two or more than two persons come together to discuss matters of the common interest, there is said to be a meeting. Types of meetings or kinds of meetings. There are total 3 types of meeting. The first one is meeting of the shareholders, second is meetings of the directors, and the last is meetings of the creditors. So meetings of the shareholders divided into 2 parts, that is general meeting and class meeting. So what is general meeting? General meeting of a shareholders may be of, इसमें भी टाइप्स है आपको. तो फर्स्ट जो है वो है स्टैट्यूटरी मीटिंग. एवरी पब्लिक कंपनी लिमिटेड बाय शेयर्स एंड एवरी कंपनी लिमिटेड बाय गारंटी and having a share capital shall within a period of not less than 1 month nor more than 6 months from the date on which the company is entitled to commence business hold a general meeting of the members of the company. This meeting is called as statutory meeting according to section 165 and subsection 1. Second is annual general meeting. The annual general meeting is to be held in addition to any other general meeting that might have been held in a year. It appears that holding of an annual general meeting in every calendar year is a statutory necessity. Calendar year is to be calculated from 1st January to 31st December and not 12 months from the date of incorporation of the company. Next type of shareholders meeting is extraordinary general meeting. An extraordinary general meeting is called to consider those transactions or business which cannot be postponed till the next annual general meeting. Hence, it is a meeting of a company which is held between 2 consecutive annual general meeting for transaction of some urgent or a special business. Next type of shareholders meeting is class meeting. Class meeting are the meetings of the shareholders and the creditors. Class meeting are held to pass resolutions which will bind only the members of the particular class concerned. Class meeting can only be attended by the members of that class. The second type of meeting is meeting of directors. Directors of a company exercise most of their powers at the meeting of the board. The Companies Act contains the following provisions relating to board meeting. The first one is number of meeting. In the case of every company, a meeting of its board of directors shall be held at least once in every quarter, and at least 4 such meetings shall be held in every year. Second is notice of meeting. Notice of every meetings of the board of directors of a company shall be given in writing to every directors at his usual address in India. Next point is quorum of the meeting. The quorum for a meeting of the board shall be 1/3 of its total strength, or 2 directors, whichever is higher.